Hi guys, my name is Kat and this is my ELRC website. Before this class, I've only ever used Google Sites to make a photography portfolio. This is a lot different than my experience with that, and I was able to incorporate many more tools into this website. My intended audience for the website was other elementary education majors, but I was also keeping in mind what parents and students alike would like to see. One day, when I have my own classroom, I can use parts of this website to create my own personal class website. This affected the design I used because I wanted to keep it simple but fun. It is important for the site to be easy to navigate for when I have my own class website, so I tried to make the font easy to read. For my home page, I made the font very large and I kept my description short and sweet. This is the first impression that people will have for my website, so I wanted it to be as clean as possible. For my teacher biography, I first inserted a professional headshot of myself because if parents and students were looking at my website, I would want them to see me as professional as possible. In my biography, I first talked about why I wanted to become a teacher, my experience with children and teaching, and what I like to do in my free time. For my favorites page, I put a bunch of my favorite websites and resources that I think would be useful to first grade students. This includes every subject, such as math, reading, writing, social studies, and science. For my PLN/PLE page, I first defined what a PLN and a PLE is. I also made sure to cite my resources. I then included my own personal webs for how I would incorporate these ideas in my own website. I then made a chart where I discussed blogs, curation tools, and microblogs. I defined what each of them was, cited my sources, and then I included links to examples of each, and I have my own personal reflections of what I think of each one. I also have my tech blog linked at the bottom of my website. This takes you to another website from Google where I have all of my blog posts. I have my introduction/expectations. I created a post on copyright, and I also created a post on how to use wikis in the classroom. For my technology projects, I created a digital story about the life cycle of a star. I created this on iMovie and then I uploaded it to YouTube, where I could link it into my website. For mobile apps, I created a slideshow on the app Edmodo. I think it is a very useful app that teachers and schools could use to send information to students and parents. Also, at the end, I included a video tutorial that I found on YouTube that parents could use to set up their own Edmodo app on their phone. For the website evaluation, I evaluated the website abc.yeah.com. I found that it is a completely free website which provides students with an interactive and educational experience, which is in the format of games. I would recommend this website to others because it is a great way for students to practice their skills while still having fun. On my resources page, I included the name of the website, the subject area that it is useful for, the link of the website, and a short description of what it is used for. All of these resources that I picked, I thought would be great for first graders and their parents to have easy access to. I see this website being useful to myself and other elementary education majors because it has many resources to websites we could use in our classrooms. It also appeals to parents and is very easy to navigate. If I could change my website, I would have made it in a different color and in a different style. I also would have added more fun pictures to make it more appealing.